Hey, this is the 4th lesson in Musical Shitposting 101, and today I will show you how to make a banging rap mashup and get super popular on Twitter. Let's do this. Well, first of all, you need a rap track. Well, what can you take? Today is Snoop Dogg's birthday, so we'll take it, drop it like it's hot. It's a classic thing. Well, to do a classic thing you need to find something classic. And, okay, you can take On Me, but it's been used to death. We'll take Africa by Toto. Well, you've dragged that to this thing, I don't know what it's called. Okay. Now you need to match all of this shit up. We'll go here, and I've already typed how much BPM there in drop it like it's hot. It's 92. So we'll go here, fit to tempo. So type 92. Okay, it done its magic. We'll go here again, and I've already typed Africa. It's 93, so it's like super good. We'll take 93. Yes, project tempo, reach threshold channels. And we wait. Okay. So now it's like super completely matches up.
When the pimp drop it like it's hot, drop it like. When the pimp's in the crib, drop it like it's hot, drop it like it's hot, drop it like it's hot. When the pigs hit at you, park it like it's hot, park it like it's hot, park it like it's hot. And if a nigga get an attitude, pop it like it's hot, pop it like it's hot, pop it like it's.
Okay, so we got all this shit set up in 3 minutes. So what's next? Well, you take your phone and you make a video.
When the pimp's in the crib, drop it like it's hot, drop it like it's hot, drop it like it's hot. The pigs try to get at you, park it like it's hot, park it like it's hot, park it like it's hot. If a nigga get an attitude, pop it like it's hot, pop it like it's hot, pop it like it's hot. I got the rollie on my arm and I'm pouring Sean down, and I roll up that sweet cause I got it going on.
Then you upload it to Twitter. And you enjoy the success. Okay, it's been some time and we'll check the views. Oh shit, 1 million views?